Hi everybody, welcome back to Unknown Unboxers. Today we are unwrapping the shiny new Airpods Pro. This is the hottest Apple product in the market right now, and we've been able to get our hands on it after a long wait at the Apple Store. The first thing about the case itself, you see the AirPods just etched on the case and the box, and it's a little protrusion and you can actually feel it when you rub your hands over it. Let's open up the case. By the way, the back of the box also looks pretty awesome. They have a little wireless charging pod showing and how that actually looks with a little green light in there. A lot of attention to detail. Let's open it up. Of course, designed by Apple in California. That always shows up for every Apple product you will see. They now have manuals on how to use and how you can pair it with your latest iPhone, of course. And then all of this safety and handling instructions, regulatory compliance instructions, and everything else that are associated with it. And it's all listed in multiple languages as well. Now let's get to the real deal. The AirPods Pro in a wireless charging case. Again, the charging outlet, while it's wireless charging, it also does wired charging as well, and that's the lightning outlet in there. And it's very similar. It's wider, shorter than the old AirPods case. The little button at the back to reset is still there. But the real change you will notice is when you open it up, the way it sits within the case is very, very different. Now you have the ability to tap it twice for noise reduction, noise cancellation. So AirPods come with automatic noise cancellation as well as the transparency mode, which essentially is you being able to turn off and let the voice in, let the sounds in from your surroundings as well. Along with that, there are a couple of Easter eggs within the box itself. The first thing being an extra pair of buds that can attach to the tips of the AirPods right here. So you have a couple of sizes in there. There's some small, a pair of small, and a pair of slightly larger, or medium I would like to say. That's already in there. The next piece is the charging cable. One thing to notice about the charging cable is while it's lightning on one side, it's USB-C. So Apple is slowly making its transition to USB-C. And then as in the iPhone 11 Pro, this is now USB-C as with all of the MacBook outlets. I've used it personally. It is quite the experience of listening to music or just experiencing the noise cancellation. It is a tremendous product. I hope you get a chance to enjoy it after seeing this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and provide suggestions of other products you'd like to see.